Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Thai basil chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to fry our basil chicken. Heat up a pan. Add in some oil. We're going to fry the aromatics now. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. 5 grams of ginger minced, 2 shallots chopped. I'll be adding in also 2 bullseye chilli cut or sliced into small pieces like this. If you don't want the heat, you can remove the seeds, but 2 pieces for me is just nice, so I'm keeping the seeds over here. I can start to smell the beautiful mixture of garlic, shallots as well as the onion and chili. It smells really good. Now we don't want to burn them. When the aromatics come out or you can smell the beautiful fragrances, we'll add in the chicken. I have with me over here 300 grams of minced chicken. Just going to put them in. I'm frying this over medium heat. Make sure you spread out the chicken. This dish goes very well with steamed rice. Or even you can pop it on to your spaghetti if you want to. If the pan gets a little bit too dry, you can add in a little bit of more oil. Wow, smells really good. When it's like 80% done, we'll add in a bunch of Thai basil leaf. And we'll add in the seasoning now. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. To balance off the taste, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now all we have to do is mix them up really well. Wow, smells really good. If you do not want to use chicken, of course you can replace them with pork. Mix it up really well so that this dish will be really flavorful. I can really smell the beautiful fragrance from the basil leaf. Really nice. Okay, time to serve this. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. A little bit of the chicken, some rice. Very flavorful. This is really good. The Thai basil leaf, the chili, the fish sauce, the oyster sauce, all of them mix up well together, fantastic with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.